In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a customer in Zoho Books. If you need to clean up your customer list, remove an entry you no longer use, or simply keep your records more organized, Zoho Books makes the process fairly straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to go and what to click so you can delete a customer quickly and confidently. To begin, open your Zoho Books account and sign in. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct organization if you manage more than one account. This is important because you want to make sure you're deleting the customer from the right company records. After you're on the main Zoho Books screen, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Sales. This section contains all of the sales-related records in your account, including customers, invoices, and other related information. When the Sales menu opens, click on Customers. This will take you to the full customer list, where you can review all the customer profiles currently saved in your Zoho Books account. Now, locate the specific customer you want to delete. If your customer list is short, you may be able to find the name simply by scrolling through the page. If you have a larger list, it may help to use the search bar or carefully scan the entries so you select the correct customer. It's always a good idea to double-check the customer details before deleting, especially if there are similar names in your list. Once you've found the customer, mark the checkbox next to that specific customer record. Selecting the checkbox tells Zoho Books which entry you want to manage. After that, click the three-dot menu, which is usually used to display more actions for the selected record. From the options that appear, click Delete. At this point, Zoho Books may ask you to confirm the action. If a confirmation message appears, review it carefully and then proceed only if you're sure. Deleting a customer can affect how cleanly your records are maintained, so it's best to be certain before finalizing the action. And that's it. That's how to delete a customer in Zoho Books. As a quick tip, before removing any customer, make sure you no longer need that record for reporting, transaction history, or future reference. Keeping your customer database organized can make your bookkeeping faster and easier over time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.